If you are searching for how to save Facebook videos to phone gallery, then you are on the right place. Here is a simple trick to save Facebook videos to your smartphone gallery. Many people searching on the internet for Facebook video downloader apps and websites. But you can easily download and save Facebook videos to your phone gallery. You can save Facebook videos on your phone gallery using Chrome browser. So in this video I am going to show you the complete guide of how to download and save Facebook videos to phone gallery. First of all, open Chrome browser and type m.facebook.com in the URL. Then log in to your Facebook account. Now find any video you want to download and save to your phone gallery. I am searching for DIY videos. Tap on three dot here. Now tap on videos. Then select the video you want to download. I am select this video to download. Then tap on the comment option from below the video. After that, the video story tab will be open. Replace the m.facebook.com with mbasic.facebook.com from the URL and open this URL. Don't change full URL, just replace m with mbasic. Then tap on go. Now you will see the basic mobile version of the Facebook. Now tap on play button of the video and you will see a download icon below the video. Now tap on download icon to download and save the video to your phone gallery. That's all. The downloading will be started after the tap on download option. So this is how to save Facebook videos to phone gallery. Also, there is no need to use any third-party website and tool to download and save Facebook videos from Facebook to phone gallery. You will see the download process from here. My download process is running. After completing the download, you will find the video in your gallery. The download process has completed. Now I am opening my gallery app to find the video. Now tap on albums, then download. Now you will see the downloaded video here. This is my downloaded video. So viewers, if you feel this video helpful, please like and share. If you have any problem or question, please comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and turn on the notification bell to get more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.